Right, I'm going to be replacing this back tail light, right rear tail light of Ford Ecosport titanium. So you open it up, there's a little flap here in the back, which you lift up, and let's get a bit of light on the subject here. Right, so there's this you need to loosen. Screwed anti-clockwise. Right, so that's what's holding it in. Okay, I'm going to use a TX20 Torx bit. I've got a Draper handheld ratchet here. And I'm just going to loosen these screws. They're all hand tightened, so easy to remove. You can see as I've done that, the light moves just slightly. Right, just like that, the whole light pops out. There's a electrical plug here which gives the lights power. You need to get it off. To do that, there's a little, we're going to call it a pip there. You just press it in. You're going to need to probably get a screwdriver. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's all. So this is going to be replaced. This cover here is how you get to the globe. So we're going to have to remove these screws here to take this off and replace it. Right, this is the replacement tail light. I'll link the supplier in the comments. So first things first, looks like the right side that we've got, correct side, same fitting, should be an easy install. But you can see here we don't have the lamp holders here. This is a Torx 10 bit that I've put into the driver. Just going to loosen these 4 screws holding it in. Okay, so it seems like I've only got 3 screws holding the lamp fitting in. Right. Okay, that's the thing. You can see one of these globes is faulty at the same time. Looks like both of them are actually faulty. We'll have to replace both of them at the same time. Okay, so just to reattach the globe hold on to the new light fitting. It's just plastic, so don't over tighten it. Right, now we're going to test it. So all we have to do here is plug our cable. It's got locating strips on it, so you can't plug it in the wrong way. Clip it in so it clips in nicely. Now we're just going to test it before the final assembly. Okay, the hazard light's working. Right, it's a matter of reassembling everything. Slides in nicely.
Perfect.
Okay, remember it's the Torx. What did I say? This is a Torx 20 for these 2. Right, so just last minute adjustments. Okay, all that's left to do is this final screw in the back, just to tighten it in. Right, so just past the wiring harness, you'll see, get my hand out the way, that's the part we need to tighten it onto, and it's going to be clockwise. Right, that was quick and easy. Just finger tight, like that. There we go. Close the hatch down and we're done. Hazards on. Okay. Indicators working nicely. Brakes on. Anytime you're ready. Okay. Brakes are working. There we go. Perfect. Great.